The data deluge. Are you lost? We live in a world awash in data. Every click, every purchase, every heartbeat generates a torrent of information. Can we harness this deluge? Can we make sense of it all? The answer, my friends, lies in the realm of data analytics. Data analytics is like being a detective, piecing together clues to solve a mystery. But instead of fingerprints and footprints, we have numbers and patterns, revealing hidden stories. It's about digging into raw data, sifting through spreadsheets and databases. We're looking for insights and answers, uncovering trends and making sense of complex information. Imagine sifting for gold in a rushing river, patiently searching for those precious nuggets. That's data analytics, finding the nuggets of value in a sea of information, turning raw data into actionable insights. But what are the benefits of this data gold rush? How does it transform businesses and decision-making? Let's dive into the advantages, exploring how data analytics can drive innovation, efficiency, and growth. Data analytics is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way we approach problem-solving and decision-making. It helps businesses make smarter, more informed decisions by providing insights that were previously hidden. It helps us understand complex phenomena, from market trends to scientific research, in ways we never thought possible. Think of it like a telescope for business, allowing us to see far beyond the immediate horizon. We can see patterns and trends we might otherwise miss, uncovering opportunities and risks with greater clarity. However, like any powerful tool, it has its downsides and potential pitfalls. Data privacy is a major concern, as sensitive information can be vulnerable to breaches and misuse. We must ensure data is used ethically and responsibly, balancing innovation with the need to protect individual rights and privacy. Section 4. Data in action, real-world triumphs. Data analytics is everywhere. Streaming services use it to recommend your next binge-worthy show. Financial institutions use it to detect fraud. Even healthcare providers use it to diagnose diseases earlier. Think about the last time you shopped online. The recommendations you saw. That's data analytics at work. Section 5. Navigating the data maze, applications and challenges. In this section, we will explore the vast landscape of data analytics, its numerous applications, and the challenges that come with it. The applications of data analytics are vast and varied, touching almost every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to finance, from marketing to logistics, data analytics is revolutionizing industries. As we generate even more data through our daily activities, the potential for insights and innovations grows exponentially. Every click, every transaction, every interaction adds to this immense pool of data. But this also presents challenges. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, and extracting meaningful insights requires sophisticated tools and techniques. We need skilled data scientists to make sense of it all. These professionals are trained to navigate the complexities of data, using advanced algorithms and machine learning to uncover hidden patterns. One exciting area of growth is automation. With data analytics, we can create intelligent systems that not only perform tasks, but also learn and adapt over time. Imagine factories run by intelligent machines, learning and adapting in real time. This is not science fiction. It's the future that data analytics is making possible. That's the future data analytics is building. A future where data-driven decisions lead to smarter cities, more efficient businesses, and improved quality of life. Data analytics is not just for tech giants, it's for everyone. Small businesses, freelancers, and even local shops can leverage data to gain a competitive edge. It's about unlocking the secrets hidden in plain sight. Data visualization tools help us see patterns and trends that were previously invisible. It's about understanding our world better so we can make it better. Stay curious, my friends. The more we learn, the more we can improve our communities and our lives. The universe of data awaits. It's a vast, uncharted territory full of potential discoveries. What are your thoughts on the future of data analytics? How do you see it shaping our world in the coming years? Share your comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Your insights and ideas are valuable to this ever-evolving field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations. Together we can continue to explore the fascinating world of data analytics.